Hi, I'm Viv, and today we're gonna try textile screen printing for the first time. We've got all the equipment, so I think it's gonna go well, but I have basically 3 tries. Well, I have one test, and then I have a beige t-shirt that I want to print on, and then a white top. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I did a design a couple of days ago, which I'm gonna print, which is 2 cowboy boots. I can show them to you in a minute. But for now, I need to put a layer of the emulsion on this frame, which is one specifically for textile. So we'll see how it goes. Let's go. This is what we're working with. So let's put it in the machine. This frame looks really cool. I think it's gonna be good. This is a test t-shirt. So I'm gonna print both designs on this t-shirt, and then I'll use the proper t-shirts, which I, by the way, also ironed, so they should be good to work with. Maybe here? Yeah, okay. I just made sure that the frame is right on top of the fabric, because other than when you print on paper, on textile, you print straight onto the fabric. So it lays pretty good on here. Now I just need to figure out the weights. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, the t-shirt is underneath the frame. I think it's positioned correctly, so now we need the paint. So we have the paint, which is, we just have blue, so I'm gonna print with blue. And then I have a wooden stick afterwards to get the paint back in here. And then I think I'm ready to go. Well, I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest. Oh. Let's put some paint on here. I don't think I need that much because the design is not that big. But let's see. Okay, so I guess I need to flood it first. And then whoa! Wow! That looks amazing! Wow! This is perfect. Okay, a lot of pressure for the right t-shirt. Very fucking cool. All right, so now we're gonna put the actual t-shirt on here. I ironed it earlier. Oh, this is fun. Okay, so now first I need to flood it again. Beautiful. And then put it down. Check. And then 1, 2. The moment of truth. Wow. Perfect. That looks amazing. Wait, I'll take a video. Wow. It's way better than I expected. That's amazing. Okay. This is how it looks like now. I think the color combination also is exactly what I wanted it to be. So it's perfect. I'm happy, and I'm just gonna let it dry on here now. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. So let's flood it. One, two. Slay. I think it's perfect. Is it funny that I wrote this a couple of hours ago? Just, that's great. Quick change of plans, because the design is too good to not be printed again. I took off my painting t-shirt and I'm just gonna print the cowboy boots on the sweatshirt. So let's try that and let's see. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, and then after that we're just gonna iron the t-shirts that we did, and then we're done. So I'm just gonna put some paint on there again. Since I'm just gonna do one last print, I'm not gonna use that much. Slow it down, and then 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Okay. I'm honestly just so amazed by how good everything turns out. You can't see it as obviously as good as on the other colors, but I think it still looks pretty goddamn good. All right, so now we're gonna start ironing the dry t-shirts. Wow. I'm done. I got this as an end result, and then this t-shirt, which looks so cool. The colors are perfect together. And then this is my painting shirt, and I also put the boots on there, and I think it looks really cool. And over the next days, we're gonna keep doing some screen printing and maybe some other things. And I will probably film that as well. See you next time. Bye bye.